Hi, and welcome to our presentation on Nature's Harmony Stress and Mood Management Product. We have a full line of family of products that assist in mood and stress. Hi, my name is Jim Shoplin, and I'm the sales manager for RX Balance. And this is Pindi.
Hi, everybody. I'm Pindi. I'm a pharmacist, and I work with Jim on providing education on the products.
Fantastic. Thanks, Pindi. She's going to give you all the ins and outs of all the product information. So first of all, just let me tell you a bit about RX Balance. We are the owners of the Quest and Nature's Harmony brands. These brands have been around in Canada for decades long, and you're familiar with seeing many of them at health food stores. If you're interested in learning more about RX Balance, you can check out our website at rxbalance.ca. Now, today we're going to talk to you about Nature's Harmony and specifically our stress and mood management product. But we do have a full line of antioxidants, blood glucose management products, herbal and health and beauty, which are our Tremenda brand, their legacy brand that are changing over to Nature's Harmony, as well as immune support, sleep solutions, and stomach and digestive health. And you can find all of these products on our website, as well as at stores, local health food stores for you. Now, Pindi, take it away and tell us a bit about stress and mood management
All right.
products.
Thank you, Jim. So our Nature's Harmony Stress and Mood Management Supplement line. So we're pleased to offer this line that we consider comprehensive to help assist with managing mood and stress. And the line helps to manage different symptoms such as anxiety, irritability, headaches, sleep disturbances, appetite fluctuations, and weight gain. And how does it do this? It helps to normalize the brain chemistry changes that have occurred due to this emotional stress. So they help provide temporary relief from symptoms. So we wanted to make a note that if an individual has any pre-existing health conditions or is on any sort of prescription medication, and in particular, if any of these symptoms are persistent and not improving, that they should be consulting their healthcare practitioner. So we know that, life can be challenging and that it can cause different types of emotional stress that it manifests in the body by altering our brain chemistry. And in particular, serotonin and DHEA levels fall. So serotonin is our hormone that is responsible for our mood and our insight to healthy sleep patterns. And DHEA is actually what I consider like a parent hormone. It's actually the precursor to testosterone and estrogen. And so if the levels fall, then we do see a decreased libido and just in general, like a decreased desire to even have social relationships. And then the cortisol, which is considered our stress hormone, it's often what's referred to as our fight or flight hormone, that rises. So what happens when all these brain chemistry changes occur? Well, different signs and symptoms happen in the body, such as sleep disturbances, irritability, anxiety, moodiness, and change in appetite. So appropriate supplement selection can actually address these brain chemistry changes and can assist in alleviating these signs and symptoms. We do recommend that consultation with a healthcare practitioner should be seeked out if any of these symptoms are perhaps they're not being relieved, or they may be persisting and getting worse. So our first product is our Magnesium Bisglycinate. And this is a 200 milligram capsule, which is a vegetable capsule. It's once a day dosing, very easy to swallow. And what is, neat about this magnesium compared to others that are on the market is the fact that it's been paired with an amino acid. It's in the format of magnesium bisglycinate. In particular, it's the amino acid glycine that it's been paired to. So what does that do? So that in and of itself, the glycine actually helps to improve anxiety and sleep problems because it has a calming effect. And with magnesium, of course, has many different functions in the body, but in particular with how it helps to manage stress and those symptoms is that it helps with maintaining healthy tissues and it helps with energy metabolism. So our 5-HTP, the Nature's Harmony 5-HTP is a 50 milligram capsule. The dosing of it is 1 or 2 capsules 3 times a day. We do recommend that it's taken with food. So 5-HTP is, what I also call like a parent type of product or a precursor. So it's used by the body to produce serotonin, which of course is our neurotransmitter that's used for mood balance and healthy sleep and overall proper brain and nerve function. So Nature's Harmony, our team had decided to go with a 50 milligram capsule because if we felt that, start with the lowest effective dose and build it up as needed and as directed. And we also felt that we also know that when you start lower, that it actually helps reduce that incidence of stomach upset. Our herbal nerve, this is a combination product of 3 different supplements. This is skullcap root, hops fruit, and valerian. So 2 tablets taken once a day or as directed by a healthcare practitioner. This is what we consider a gentle herbal relaxant. It contains 3 different ingredients, and they temporarily help reduce nervous tension. They can help reduce emotional stress and help improve insomnia. We do have a particular note that if an individual is already undergoing medical treatment for depression, or if they have liver conditions, that they are advised not to take this supplement. And our final supplement is the RELORA, and this is a combination of 2 different ingredients, and I will do my best to pronounce them.
This is why I'm glad you're doing the education piece, Bindi.
Thank you. So we have Magnolia officinalis and Philodendron amaranth. Okay, tried.
Well done. There you go.
2 to 3 capsules once a day, and this is for up to 6 weeks is what we recommend. So this is it's 1 convenient capsule. It can be taken, up to 3 capsules once a day, and you're combining stress reduction, but you're also getting the benefit of weight loss or potential weight loss from this product. So how are we doing that? So we are providing temporary relief from stress by promoting feelings of relaxation and calmness. It helps to normalize cortisol and DHEA. So the increased cortisol that's happened from excessive stress, that gets brought back down, and the DHEA levels are now increased. So what this does with normalizing the cortisol, it's reducing the cortisol exposure, and it improves weight loss in individuals who are, experiencing stress-related eating. So just to kind of speak to that, when we have elevated levels of cortisol, often a patient customer will actually have increased cravings for carb type foods, carbs and starches, because carbs and starches actually also, they give you a phenomenon of making you feel better. It's the way that they alter brain chemistry, but we know that excessive amounts of carbs and starch cause weight gain, and in particular on the abdomen. So different research has shown that RELORA can actually help with that, and it reduces the cravings for stress-related eating. So with that, it can actually help with weight loss.
Fantastic. Good to know. Thanks, Bindi.
You're welcome. So we, in Nature's Harmony, we wanted to give you another education tool, for your customers, and for your customers who are selling the product, as well as the customers who are buying it. So we have this table that we put together, and so I'll go product by product. So with the RELORA will help with emotional stress. It'll help with irritability. It'll help with restlessness, muscle tension, and stress eating and weight gain. And how long should it be used? It can be used for up to 6 weeks. After that, if any of these symptoms are still not resolved or they're getting worse, then we do recommend that they see their physician. Herbal nerve that also helps with emotional stress as well as nervous tension or anxiety. It can assist with insomnia. And this is very similar to RELORA in terms of how long it's used for or recommended. It is only up to 6 weeks. Our 5-HTP, so 5-HTP helps with emotional stress. It helps with irritability, nervous tension and anxiety, insomnia, and it's the only one that's going to help with mood imbalance because it's the only one that's affecting serotonin. And it is recommended to use for up to 1 year, and that is, of course, for the customer to be really mindful of the symptoms. But if they are finding that the symptoms are persisting, then they do need to consult with their physician. And the last product, the Magnesium Bisglycinate. So this will help with emotional stress. It'll with irritability, nervous tension, and anxiety. It will help with insomnia as well. And because it's magnesium, it actually can be used long term. But we do still recommend that if a customer is buying this magnesium for these particular reasons, then they should be aware of, well, are they seeing any kind of relief from them? And if they're not, then they should seek out help from their physician. I wanted to make a note about, a couple things so the magnesium bisglycinate can actually be combined with either one of the other products. So it's fine to take together. I just wouldn't say taking them at the identical time, that I would space it out by a couple hours because it is a mineral. The other two products that can be taken together is the RELORA and the 5-HTP. So they actually work in tandem to help almost all the different symptoms that we see with stress and mood. And you get that added benefit of helping with the cravings on the stress eating as well.
Fantastic. Thanks, Pindi. Appreciate that. So Nature's Harmony is very pleased to offer this full line of comprehensive products to assist in the management of mood and stress. They help to manage symptoms like anxiety, irritability, headaches, sleep disturbances, appetite fluctuations, and weight gain by addressing the brain chemistry changes that are caused by emotional stress. If you want more information on Nature's Harmony and all of our products, you can track us down on our website at naturesharmony.com. And for additional training, you can go to our website at rxbalance.ca, or you can find us on YouTube at RxBalance, and you can find all sorts of education on all of our products. We are a Canadian company based in Port Coquitlam, BC. You can find us at our offices there through phone or by email. And if you're looking for particular sales support, if you're a retailer, feel free to reach out to myself, and I will certainly work with you on all of our products and be able to talk to you about what's best fit for your store. With that, Penny, any final words?
I just want to thank everybody for tuning in. And if you had any particular questions for myself, please reach out via Jim, and we will get back to you as soon as possible.
Fantastic. Thanks, Penny, and thanks everybody for watching.